So just want to show you this one real quick. I can't hold a multimeter and my phone at the same time, but I'll tell you exactly what I did. So this Goodman package unit here, the blower is running inside here, but the compressor is not running, and also the condenser fans are not running. So what I did here, we obviously have high voltage, but I checked that anyway. L1 to L2, L2 to L3, L1 to L3, and also each leg to ground. So the blower motor, this contactor is pulled in. This is to the blower motor. These two are to the compressors that are in there. There's two compressors. So we have two levels of cooling, which is Y1 and Y2. There's also an O setting, O terminal as well. So what I did, check R to C, which you should get roughly around 24 volts. Okay, cool. So C to Y, nothing. Well, C to Y, 24 volts. C to Y2, 24 volts. Same thing with C to G, 24 volts. However, so it's calling from the thermostat, but at this control board here, I checked C to R, got 24 volts, C to O, 24 volts. This board has the blower here, so I checked C to G, 24 volts. The C is actually connected from this board to this board. It jumped over, so I checked C to Y. We're getting it, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Well, actually, no, correction. C to Y, we're getting nothing. So it's not going through the control board.